In June, a bowl of hybrid rice from Africa was presented as a special offering at the tomb of Yuan Longping, China's father of hybrid rice. The gift was brought in person by Rakhotosim Philibert, former Secretary General of the Ministry of Agriculture of Madagascar. Following a series of procedures such as variety selection and risk analysis for potential foreign species invasion, Chinese hybrid rice has been planted in the soil of Madagascar and brought to tables of African families.
我们通过使用肥料、通过这个精耕细作，我们能够达到一时一等美耕群，对当地农民进行技术上的辅导，把那个土层里面水把它沉淀下去。通过这个途径以后呢，就改善了这个土壤的这个气候。农民亲自看到我们的产量，就不要我们说，也不要我们打什么广告，他们自己就去推广啊，把面积扩大。
杂交水稻之父袁隆平院士有2个梦想，一个是禾下乘凉梦，第二个是杂交水稻全球覆盖梦，希望更多的缺粮的国家使用上杂交水稻，能够让人民都吃饱饭。是袁老师亲自走之我们这帮从事国外国际合作的团队，分析了20几个非洲国家的这个基础情况，最后是袁老师亲自选定的马达加斯加作为第一个杂交水稻的圆周示范中心。
By December 2022, the planting area of Chinese hybrid rice in Madagascar was 75,000 hectares, with an average output of around 7.5 tons per hectare, much higher than other local breeds that produce 3 tons per hectare. So far, Chinese hybrid rice has been introduced to over 20 African countries.